Hello there, and welcome to this educational, visually appealing, if I may say so myself, and hopefully entertaining video. This summer I visited Le Parc des Oiseaux, not far from Lyon in France. Of course, I took many videos, but instead of just showing random clips, I decided that I should get the most out of this video making hobby of mine and use it as a way to learn about the animals I saw. So let me take you on a virtual tour of Le Parc des Oiseaux, where you will see some beautiful, some less so, some intelligent, some less so, some lovely, some lonely, birds, butterflies, and other. I also took the time and effort to get the names, English, French, and scientific, of as many animals as I could. But look, lads, I could be wrong on some of them, so don't be running around town quoting me on this. So let's begin with the flamingos. There are actually 6 different species of flamingos, and as far as I could tell, these are the greater flamingo. Now, flamingos aren't born pink, they turn pink because of the algae they eat, which is why baby flamingos aren't pink. Baby one! Oh, he's so weird looking. Look. Also, flamingos looking for a mate will want to go for the pinker ones because it means they have more access to food. They also seduce each other with dance moves, and the mother and father take turns keeping the egg warm until it hatches. Wow, t'as vu comme il bouge? Up next we have storks. The park had a huge tower you could climb up to get a better view, particularly of the stork nests. Storks, of course, are famous for being responsible for bringing human babies to their mothers. Regarding their own babies, storks have a litter of between 1 and 7 eggs, and both the girl and the boy stork work together to make the nest, which will then be used by other birds once they're finished with it. There are 19 species of stork, and this one here is the white stork, I think, the one that brings the babies. This one is, I believe, the yellow-billed stork, and it's standing like this to cool down, although I originally thought they were doing a little synchronized dance for us. And up next we have the saddle-billed stork.
C'est marrant. Quand il est des doigts, tu vois pas le bec.
Hein?
Quand il est, genre, il regarde droit devant, tu vois rien.
Finally, we have the terrifying marabou stork. Let's just take a moment to appreciate that it's not this thing that delivers babies. It is nicknamed the Undertaker bird because, well, look at it. It eats rubbish and likes to hang around landfills and dumps. And you see it has that beautiful guller sac thing under its neck. And while many other birds have this and use it to hold food and things, on the marabou stork it's just for display, just to be pretty. Okay, enough of that. On to owls. This is the Eurasian eagle owl.
Ta main?
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
J'essaie de te calmer.
Parfait. Oh, he looks sleepy.
Il a l'air tellement genre.
And the next one apparently is a snowy owl. You know, like the one in Harry Potter. Il a l'air un peu bizarre, lui, non?
Il a un peu handicapé, je
C'est vrai?
crois. Non.
Je pense.
Ah, il est so marrant.
Pas aussi beau que Hedwig. Oh my god, yeah, il a un bon visage, quoi.
Okay, we're going to tackle the ibises like the storks, going from the most to least beautiful, in my opinion. So first we have this delicious looking scarlet ibis, and I'm not sure what this is, but it could be a glossy ibis. And finally we have the northern bald ibis.
Oh my god. Wow.
Victor les rapaces.
Then we have the Eurasian griffon vulture. Now, I was originally going to introduce him as the badass Eurasian griffon vulture, but unfortunately had to revoke that title due to the next clip.
Okay.
Just did a big poop or a pee. This is called a red kite, not to be confused with a bald eagle. Is that the American birds? And this thing of nightmares is a cinereous vulture. Oh my god. He looks like a Muppet.
Where's my brain?
I'm gonna take a little break and let Marco introduce this one.
This is a secretary bird.
There are 8 main pelican species, but I don't know which ones any of these are. Like the marabou stork, pelicans also have a guller sac, but this time it's not just a pretty accessory. They actually use it and can hold up to about 13 litres, which is 3 times more than a stomach can hold. Pelicans cool off through a process called guller fluttering, as demonstrated here. On to emus.
Oh, he's looking right at me. Oh.
La Chine va pas trop loin quand même, hein. Là ça suffit.
La Chine le suit.
Mets-toi là si tu veux.
C'est cool.
Emus can only be found in the wild in Australia, and they're the second largest birds in the world after ostriches. Ostriches' eyes are bigger than their brains, but what they lack in smarts they make up for in speed, being able to run up to 70 kilometers per hour. When it comes to making babies, the male ostrich will make a nest and then seduce a female ostrich with his sick dance moves.
Oh, he's smiling.
J'adore les autruches. Après, je préfère ça aux émus.
C'est vrai?
Ça y est, j'ai choisi.
Cool. C'est marrant, j'ai eu du mal à suivre sa tête. Wow, c'est trop bizarre, tu vois, derrière ses ailes.
Next up, we have the roseate. Next up, we have the roseate spoonbill.
Oh wow, il est bizarre le bec.
Then we have a masked lapwing.
Oh wow. C'est tellement facile de les voler.
Then we have the green arasari, I think it's pronounced. Then we have the sassy little spotted thickney.
Oui. La vue était trop plus proche.
Then we have the elegant Victoria crowned pigeon.
T'as vu ces pieds de girafe?
Oui. Marrant ça.
And we have the black-cheeked lovebirds, and in French they're called the inseparable black cheeks. Aww. Then we have a sun conure, conure, I don't know how to pronounce that one.
Yeah.
Oh marrant. Oh, they're kissing.
Then we have a black-winged stilt.
Oh, they're so cute.
Then Quaker parrots. The yellow-knobbed curassow.
Oh, he has like curly hair.
I think possibly a red-crowned Amazon parrot. The hyacinth macaw, very beautiful. The blue-winged kookaburra. The African grey hornbill. The grey parrot, I think. The diamond dove. This one looks like he's off his face. And the Sarus crane. I don't know how to pronounce that one either.
On dirait que son cou est un autre bec.
Un peu, ouais.
Ou genre un dolphin.
C'est vous comme il est bien fait, tu sais. Genre il est lisse. Entre le bout de son bec jusqu'au bout de sa queue, tu vois. C'est un trait genre parfait, presque.
C'est bloqué. Look. I'm gonna dig a tunnel to get you out of there, okay? Just keep digging.
Now, the best part of the park for me was the bird show. It was amazing. The birds were trained to like arrive on cue and then fly over people's heads, which was pretty terrifying.
Oh my god!
And they even like acted out the different ways they kill their prey and stuff. It was genuinely incredible. Highly, highly recommend.
He's a good actor.
À bonne hauteur, grâce à ses 3 mètres d'envergure, que le marabout apparaît dans toute sa majesté.
Et c'est avec cette explosion de cris et ce tourbillon de couleurs que s'achève notre voyage dans les airs.
Welcome now to the butterfly room. I did have some trouble getting the names of all the butterflies and again might have made a few mistakes. So again, full disclosure, do not use this video to study for your bird and butterfly exam. I was able to figure out the yellow-edged giant owl butterfly, however, which, as you can see, uses its wing pattern to fool stupid predators into thinking they're owls. Up next we have the postman butterfly, so named because they follow the exact same route to the flowers they collect pollen from on a daily basis, just like postmen. The morpho butterflies are huge and incredible, and it felt like there were birds flying around me, but very difficult to get on video. Unlike the king swallowtail, who seemed to have no issues at all with all the intention. I'm not sure, but I think this is an orange-spotted tiger clearwing, and I think this is a wedge-spotted cattleheart.
Ah, j'avais pas noté qu'ils étaient faux. Ah, c'est juste eux. C'est tous. Ils sont tous faux, c'est juste eux qui sont fake.
Les plantes?
Yeah.
Ouais, juste eux.
Up next, we have my personal favorite, the variable or blue cracker. Then maybe a monarch butterfly, but I'm not really convinced. And finally, I think a dido longwing, although from what I've seen on Google, they're normally green. So again, take all that with a pinch of salt. Now, this so-called bird park not only had butterflies and birds, but also just had straight up not even close to bird-like animals, like sheep.
Apparemment, ça c'est un oiseau aussi. Bizarre ce oiseau.
J'ai vraiment appris plein de choses.
There were also wallabies and kangaroos, although I don't think I got any kangaroos on video.
Wallaby.
Tu fais bien. Oh, where is he? Il bougeait. Oh, he's so cute.
Non. On prendra un chien. Une sauterelle.
En quoi?
Une sauterelle.
C'est quoi ce sauterelle déjà?
Ah mais ce mec zizi là.
Oh, il a l'air tout triste.
Oh non. Chaud. Oh.
Pourquoi personne ne peut jouer avec moi? Il est un peu gros, lui, non?
Ouais, il est peut-être... Il y a des œufs peut-être en lui.
Oh!
And they had ring-tailed lemurs, which are very cute, and maybe I will own one day.
Ils se grattent tous les deux. Il y en a un qui gratte le dos de l'autre. Tu vois ou pas?
Ouais, pas trop avec ça.
And the grand finale to this spectacular presentation of wildlife, the American pygmy goat.
Oh, hello.
Là, c'est eux là. Non,
Oh, 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 oh. Fini.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. As time-consuming as it was, I had a lot of fun learning about the different types of animals, and I intend to keep up this habit of learning more about the animals I have the privilege to capture on video. So, that's all from me for now, until the next one.
Oh, where did he get it? Oh, oh, alright, okay. Ouais, c'est normal, ok. Hello.